How to fix the VLAN restriction error on your device. Guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your VLAN restriction error on your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is check if your hypervisor is turned on. Now, for that, what you'll need to do is open up your run. So you can open up your run by simply hitting on the Windows plus R key. And after you do that, you can see this msinfo32. Type this in and tap on OK. After you type that in and your system information opens up, on the bottom, simply scroll down till the bottom, and on the bottom you will see a hypervisor. Now, if your hypervisor is detected and it's activated, that's basically what you need to do. So check if that is activated. If that's the case, you can simply leave and you're good to go. If that's not the case, simply open up your settings first. After you open up your settings, head over to your privacy and security. Under there, head over to Windows Security. And under Windows Security, tap on your device security. And after your Windows device security opens up, head over to Core Isolation Details and make sure that your memory integrity is turned on. After you've done that, you can simply restart your computer and you're good to go. That is how you can fix the issue. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.